Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this magnificent property for sale on il Lago Maggiore. Check it out. Benvenuti! The property that we are about to see is in Piemonte, on Lake Maggiore and precisely in Baveno, only 3 kilometers from Stresa, which is a renowned destination on the lakeshore. Il Lago Maggiore is also home to l'archipelago delle Isole Borromee, and right behind me we can see 2 of them, l'Isola Superiore and l'Isola Bella, that is known for its beautiful Giardini Borromei. Ma il vero fascino di questo luogo è la sua diversità paesaggistica. Dalla vista romantica sul lago passiamo alle dolci colline sormontate dalle Alpi. Given its closeness to the Alps, this is the ideal destination for those who enjoy skiing, because it is well connected to ski resorts both in Switzerland and in Italy. We are approaching the main villa that is surrounded by a lush and extensive garden. Seeing the colors of autumn fills me with warmth and a calming sensation. From the garden, we have a breathtaking view over the lake and the surrounding landscape. We are at the main entrance of the property, and central is a flower bed that follows the principles of Italian-style gardens. As you may have noticed from the piles of gravel around the property, they're re-landscaping at the moment. But I want to point your attention to the view from the back of the house. I mean, just look at this gorgeous wall of plants and trees. It is so serene. But now I want to show you the inside of the house, so follow me. Before we go inside, let me tell you a little bit about the property. It is 1,300 square meters, featuring the main villa and 3 guest houses, for a total of 10 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. It is surrounded by 1.43 hectares of land, featuring a private garden, tennis court, swimming pool area, a pond, and a stream. Ma ora venite con me. From the main entrance, we are led into this large foyer with tall granite columns and granite floors that, mixed with the wooden staircase that surrounds the space and takes us to the first floor, creates that rustic style that gives us a homey feel. The space is connected to the guest bathroom that serves the floor, and opposite to the entrance is this majestic living room. The extensive windows in this room allow us to have unparalleled views over the surrounding landscape, and it frames the majestic peaks that are reflected in the calm lake waters. From here we have a double access onto the garden. The property slopes down towards the lake. In fact, we're only a 2-minute walk from the boardwalk and from the lake shore. The living room has lovely wooden floors with stone columns that frame the windows. This space is divided in 2 sitting areas, a first below wooden mantel that surrounds a stone fireplace. while the second surrounds a wooden table and is more cozy to enjoy family time. Here we are in the dining room that has beautiful stone walls that match the pattern of the granite floors. It also has a large window that looks on the outside and captures the true beauty of the garden and of the lake, so you can enjoy your meals with this peaceful view. From here we have a direct access onto the garden where we can find a stone picnic table to enjoy your meals al fresco. Connected to the dining room is this second space that could be considered like an activity room where you could play board games or cards with your friends and family. It is also embellished by a beautiful wooden and stone fireplace. Always on the first floor is this large and bright kitchen with central table. All the counters are in marble and there's a large French window that gives us direct access onto the garden. But now, if you follow me, let's go check out the bedroom area. The sleeping area has beautiful wooden floors that gives warmth to the rooms. On the first floor we have 6 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This bedroom has a double exposure and looks both onto the garden and the lake. It is furthermore embellished by lovely exposed wooden beam ceilings and a stone fireplace. The space is divided in a sleeping area and a study/sitting area. We are now in the master bedroom, which is exactly on top of the living room, as you can see from the shape of the extensive windows that also offer a breathtaking view over the surrounding landscape. Imagine waking up to this every morning. To me, that is extraordinary. From here, we also have a double access onto a private balcony. But not just that, the master bedroom is embellished by a lovely fireplace and has a double sitting area. And here we have a garden view bedroom with shared balcony with the other rooms on this side of the house. Here we have wooden floors and wooden ceilings. Adjacent to this bedroom is the kids' room. But now, if you'll follow me, we have so much more to see, so let's continue our tour. We are now in the guest house dedicated to the service quarters, which is developed on 2 floors and is 140 square meters. On the ground floor, there is an open space living dining area with extensive windows that let in a lot of natural light, a kitchen, and a bedroom with bathroom. From a beautiful wooden staircase, we access the second floor, where we can find 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The property caters to many activities. Right now we are on the football field that can also become a tennis court. But not just that, already from here we can see the swimming pool area. So let's go take a look. The swimming pool is surrounded by a sunbathing area equipped with shower and changing room. Other than that, this space is home to a lovely gazebo with dining area. Even though the swimming pool is closed right now, in the summer months, this is the ideal place to cool off during a hot summer day.
We are in the second guest house that is 100 square meters and developed on one floor. It has a large open space living area, a kitchen with island, one bedroom and one bathroom. As you can see, wood and granite are very present also in this guest house. And right below the guest house is this lovely pond surrounded by nature, which is the ideal place to take a leisurely walk with your loved one or simply gather your thoughts and relax. A particular feature that the property has, other than a private pond, is that it has a live stream that flows right through it and into the lake, adding a picturesque atmosphere to the garden. As mentioned previously, the property is surrounded by 1.43 hectares of land, which is mainly dedicated to the garden, embellished by a large variety of plants and trees such as maple trees, palm trees, and Japanese maples to ensure its beauty all year round.
That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And for further information on this property, check out our website at Lionard.com. Ciao!